Have you ever wondered about the limitations of traditional methods in infrastructure inspection? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Conventionally, infrastructure inspection has largely been dependent on manual labor and ground-based tools. Workers, armed with little more than their expertise and simple tools, painstakingly examine every nook and cranny of these structures. While their dedication is commendable, this approach is fraught with challenges. For starters, it exposes inspectors to hazardous environments. Think about the dizzying heights of bridges, the dark depths of tunnels, or the scorching heat of power plants. It's not just physically demanding, it's downright dangerous. Moreover, these methods can be inaccurate as they rely heavily on the human eye and judgment. The potential for human error is always a factor, plus it's time-consuming. Hours, days, or even weeks can be spent on a single inspection. Indeed, the traditional ways of inspecting our infrastructure have their limitations, which begs the question, is there a better way? Enter the era of drone-based infrastructure inspection, a game-changer in the field. This innovative method is revolutionizing the way we conduct inspections, pushing boundaries, and setting new standards. Imagine a world where inspections are not just faster, but also safer and more accurate. This is what drone technology brings to the table. It allows inspections to be conducted in a fraction of the time it takes for traditional methods, while also eliminating the risk of personal injury. These unmanned aerial vehicles can easily access areas that are difficult, if not impossible, for humans to reach, such as tall structures or locations with hazardous conditions. But the real magic happens when you combine drone technology with artificial intelligence. Drones equipped with AI can analyze data in real time, identifying potential problems and providing actionable insights. AI enables drones to recognize patterns, detect anomalies, and even predict future issues. This dramatically enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of inspections, ensuring that nothing slips through the